Hello. Welcome aboard to the shit show.
The energy is straight up cooked in here.
No cap. Is it actually about to drop?
He's finally here. He's pulling up.
We really out here in the trenches. But watch how this hits.
He's finally here. He's pulling up. This vibe is absolutely unhinged.
On God, it's about to go down.
He's finally here.
Hey, finally here.
Caught him lacking.
Stay woke. It's not over.
It's giving chaos. He's finally here. He's pulling up.
Manifesting the madness.
The vibes are immaculate.
Have a safe trip. You can now leave the shit show.